At Miltenyi Biotec, we are committed to providing you with the highest quality products. Our world-class facility at Teterow in Germany is state-of-the-art and GMP certified in accordance with European regulations. For the cell therapy community, we create ancillary reagents for research and ex vivo cell processing, including recombinant cytokines and growth factors, antibodies, antigens, and cell culture media. Our MACS GMP products are designed to meet the increasingly stringent demands of regulatory agencies. Manufacturing takes place in a controlled, animal-free environment. 4 levels of clean rooms, from Class A through D, guarantee strictly controlled production. Systematic processes are also applied for aseptic and automated filling, lyophilization, and finishing. Every single reagent goes through rigorous QC testing to guarantee consistent product performance. Lot-specific certificates and regulatory support files for our customers ease the approval process by regulatory authorities. Invest in your clinical research by using GMP-grade products from the very beginning. A seamless transition between basic and clinical research avoids revalidation and saves time. Today, more and more is expected and required of us as scientists. With our GMP-grade facility, Miltenyi Biotec has adapted to this reality. We are leading the way.